Here we are looking for the market equilibrium price and quantity. We are given the demand and supply functions respectively. So the first function that we're given is the demand function. The second function that we're given is the supply function. We wish to find where the price and quantity are equal for these two functions. So we will set the prices equal to each other. We notice that the demand function and supply function are both solved for P. So we will set the prices equal to each other. In other words, we will set the two functions equal to each other. As we do that, we notice that we have decimals within our problem, and we would like to get rid of any fractions or decimals to make the problem simpler to solve. So we go to solve this quadratic equation. It would be nice if we just had nice whole numbers to work with. So we're going to multiply by a factor of 10 here to get rid of the decimal. We want it to move one space to the right, 1 unit to the right. So we'll multiply by 10. And we have to do that for every term on both sides. And now we want to move all of the terms to one side, set it equal to 0, and then we're going to try to factor this quadratic equation. So we're going to move everything from one side to the other. I'm going to go ahead and move these terms to the right, and they will change signs as we do that. We will combine like terms. And this is the quadratic function that we have. And we want to factor this. So we have to remember that the first step for factoring would be to take out a common factor. Makes things easier. And now we can factor the trinomial. Two numbers that multiply to give negative 100. Add to give 15. We need a positive 20 and a minus 5. So we get x equals negative 20 and x equals 5. Remember that x represents quantity. Quantity can't be negative, so we're going to get rid of the negative 20. So the quantity, the equilibrium quantity that we were talking about is 5. So that's our x value. Now remember that the quantity is measured in units of 100, so we're really referring to 500 units as the equilibrium quantity. Now we need to find the equilibrium price per unit. To do that, we're going to take our quantity and plug it into either one of the functions. Since the price is the same for both, which is the whole setup here, it doesn't matter which function that we use. So the price, I'm going to go ahead and choose the second function here. Price is equal to 0.1 times x squared, or x is 5, plus 2 times 5 plus 20. We're going to follow order of operations. We're going to square first. And then do a multiplication and addition. And it looks like here we're going to get 32.5. And the price that we were given is just measured in dollars, so that would be 32.5 for that price, which really translates to be $32.50. So our equilibrium quantity and price, 500 units, when the price is $32.50.